In this video, I'll be explaining about some of the basic differences between the terminologies that we use in different databases. Of course, the SQL Server, MySQL, Oracle, they're all relational database systems, and they all work based on the database. However, each of the database technology has got its own terminologies that they use. Right, in some of the systems they call it as database, and some in schema, and some in users. Right, so we will look at some of the basic differences in this video. So in the screen you have three different window. The first one is the SQL Server, and second is the MySQL Workbench, and in the third part is the Oracle SQL Developer. Right, so let's start with the SQL Server first. A SQL Server is actually works on the instance connection. So when you connect to a particular instance, you will have n number of databases in it. Right, so in this example, this has RBS Dev, Prod, QA. You can have as many as database you want, and under that database, you will have all the database objects. So all the tables, views, stored procedures, and everything will be a part of every database. So when it comes to tables or views, you can further segregate these table objects in a schema level. So right now by default you will get the DBO object, right? It's a DB object schema. This is the default schema for every table, but you can have your own schema name dot the table name. So the hierarchy in SQL Server is the instance. So instance has multiple databases, and each database can have one or more schemas, and each schema have one or more tables. So this is how it works in SQL Server, and you have the flexibility to create the database, and under that you will have schema creation, and then the table object creation. So if you want to retrieve any table data, all you will have to do is select from all the columns from the database name dot schema name dot the table name or view name. Right, so that's the hierarchy in SQL Server. So moving on MySQL, you will still have the database. So they in MySQL we still call um, these as databases. Under databases, you will have all the table objects. But there is no option here to specify a schema or differentiate based on the schema, right? If you take one table, it is always tied to one database, and it's all one to one here. But whereas in SQL Server we had multiple, right? And in order to create any databases here, you will use create database statement, and under that you will create a particular table. And when do you want to retrieve any data from a table, you will do select star from database name dot the table name. Right, so that's how it is in MySQL. And one MySQL server can have multiple databases, and you can have a centralized user who can access all the database and table objects. And the third one is the Oracle SQL connection. So in most of the Oracle setup, you will have only one database instance in one Oracle server. So it's one to one. Of course, you can have multiple, but the standard is one to one. In one server, you can have only one database, and one database can have multiple users. Here, the users, the term users and schema, they're both are the same. As whenever you create a schema, you basically create a user, and each user can have their own objects like table views and etc. But the way you access other schema is by navigating to this Oracle connection all the way down. Under other users you will find other schemas, right? Unlike in SQL Server or in MySQL, you have database and then the table objects. Here, one differentiator factor is there is only one database, And in one database, you can have multiple schemas, and each of the schemas can have table objects, table views, stored procedures, index, and all those things. They can have it. And all the three database systems, you can still have a centralized user created and have access to all the database schemas, and then the other users objects. Right, I hope this is now clear. Make sure SQL Server is instance and database schema and then the object, and in MySQL it is just the database and then the table objects. And in Oracle you have one database, and that you can have multiple users or schema, and each schema can have one or more table objects.